an adjustable, super bright front LED lighting package, red lights in the back, and side reflectors to boot, 2 adjustable rear view mirrors, 4 tie-down strap points, height and width adjustable arms. Plus, all companions are made to perform, with strong metal alloy wheels for durability, solid flat-free tires with quiet tread, the most foot and legroom in its class, 2 large batteries for all-day range, an easy-access charger port up high on the tiller, and a troubleshooting guide right under the mat. Not only did Mr. Golden build it to last, but all Golden companions are made easy to use. With a user-friendly auto-tiller adjustment, just squeeze the adjustment handle and you can tilt the controls in infinite ways for a comfortable, ergonomic design. Plus, the Golden Companion family comes in 3 sizes to fit anyone, with weight capacities up to 400 pounds.